What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Pac-Man. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the eyes. Now on the left side, we're going to draw an oval with a gap on the left side. So we're going to start on the side, going up towards the top of the oval, come down on the inside. I'm just going to curl this around the bottom, just pull that back up, and then we're going to add that notch, coming in and then back out. Let's line this up over on the right side and do the same thing, but in the opposite direction. So we're going to come around the bottom, towards the same height, and then back up. Go back up to the top, curl this down towards the notch, and let's in and then back out. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw an oval for the nose, starting from the top, coming down, and then up. Let's go out towards the side and draw the top edge of the mouth, starting on the left, curl this down, and then up towards the right. Now on the right side, we're going to add a bracket. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to open up the mouth, coming down, around, and then up towards the bracket. We're going to place the tongue across the bottom, starting in the middle. Let's start with a point, and then curve the left side, going up and then down. Go back to the center, go up and then down towards the right. Now above each eye, we're going to add a point for the eyebrows, starting from the left, going up, angle this back down, and then we'll line that up on the right side. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes and the mouth. And now we're going to surround the face with a large circle. Let's start in between the brow at the very top. We're going to go across and then down, go across and then down towards the right. Let's continue that curve, starting on the left side, going around the head, coming in towards the bottom. We're just going to work our way across and then up towards the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move out and draw on the arms. We're going to start on the left side with the cuff. We're going to start with a curve, coming around and down. Let's round up the cuff, and then close the outside with another curve. Let's go to the top. We're going to bend the thumb, going up and then in. Round up the thumb, come down and then in towards the palm, and then a curve, coming down and then back in. Let's go back up to the top or on the side of the thumb, draw the hand, going out, curl this around, in towards the palm and up. I'm just going to bend it down on the end. Let's go to the bottom of the hand, draw the bottom of the palm coming in towards the cuff. Now I want to connect the hand to the head with two curves, starting from the top, coming up and in, step down, draw the bottom of the arm. Let's line up the bottom of the arm all the way over towards the right side. We're going to bend this out and then down. And then we'll layer the cuff on top of the arm. So we're going to step down, go up and then out. Round up the ends just like we did on the left side. And then we'll curve the bottom. Let's draw the top of the arm coming in towards the head. Let's go to the bottom of the cuff. We're going to draw a half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. From the bottom of the thumb, curve the hand going all the way around and then in. Now let's tuck the legs in underneath the body. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side. We draw a straight line coming down, move over towards the right, do the same thing. Round up the bottom of the legs, and pull this straight up underneath the body. Let's add that thick cuff around the boot. Starting on the left side, we draw an oval, going around the ankle, and just tuck that in on the inside. And then from the inside of the cuff, draw a curve coming in and then down towards the heel on both sides. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start with the left side, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side. I'm going to curve the foot. We're going to go up, across, and then down, aiming towards the heel. And then we'll close off the end with a straight line. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Pac-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.